In this short tutorial, I will show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. Deleting your LinkedIn account is a simple and straightforward process, but it's important to note that once you delete your account, all of your connections, messages, and other data will be permanently removed from the platform. To get started, open up the LinkedIn mobile app and then make sure you are logged into the account that you want to delete. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap Settings at the bottom left. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Account Preferences. And then scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see a section called Account Management, and under that section, you'll see an option called Close Account. So go ahead and tap Close Account. Tap Continue. And then select a reason why you are deleting your LinkedIn account. I'm simply going to select something random. Tap the Next button. All you have to do now is enter the password of your LinkedIn account and tap the Done button. And it will delete your LinkedIn account, but it will take some time for your public profile to disappear from search engines. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.